My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Ford Transit Custom Nugget camper. This vehicle has done just under 21,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we can see from the pictures, this transforms into a double bed. If we go over into the kitchen area, we can see that it's complete with a fridge, cooker and sink. This camper is 4-berth. You can get a good view of the double bed within the pop top. We also have lots of storage space and a ladder to access the pop top easily. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have navigation as a feature, as well as Bluetooth, emergency assistance, forward pass connect and Apple CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it's complete with parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.